hearing na nangyari sa atin, ito po yung mga recommendation ng mga member na nakikita po nila na possible violation na nangyari po sa mga paggamit po ng confidential fund.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Dwight.
Good afternoon po. Clarify lang po, Chair. Yung legal liabilities, potential legal liabilities raised, stand ba siya ng committee as a whole and it's just that it's not yet final dahil potential pa lang, or is it just the stand of individual members? Kasi sir, there seems to be a system in the way it was presented, organized, parang bawat lawmaker may nakatoka sa kanya, ikaw di-discuss ng bribery, ikaw magdi-discuss ng malversation. It seemed like there was a system in the way it was presented. So parang group presentation siya by the Committee of Good Government.